So for this, I want to thank everybody that attended. But the event is almost to the end. Let me conclude it. Digitalization is redefining how we build and collaborate. I think that's clear after today, or at least for me, it's clear how they do it. The ROIs of BPM and HNMV show that once took hours can now be done or simulated in minutes. With powerful tools, we can now visualize, manage, and collaborate in a seamless workflow. This means fewer surprises, smarter decisions, and better alignment between the stakeholders. I think that's pretty clear now. The benefits are clear. Yeah, increased efficiency through automation and real-time data. We are not talking about documents anymore. Of course, documents in the CDE, but also about the communication platform it was called, but more and more about the real-time data and the data insights, like Chris was showing, how even Revit and the parameters in Revit could be used now in the platform and could be adjusted or redefined, whatever you want. We saw improved collaboration across disciplines and locations, higher quality outcomes with reduce on the errors and rework. Like BPM was showing how much they saved, and eventually more connected data. I hopefully that will lead to more insights in the challenges we have. We didn't talk about sustainability and optimizing materials or energy use, but that's all neat data we are collecting today. We hope that although there are challenges, you all see the path forward. A path that progresses, although some friction in the transformation are ahead. Yeah, we see the challenges, but maybe I can conclude that the biggest challenges is not the technology. We heard everybody talking about what is possible, but it's about adoption and the culture change we need to do. That transformation, that's something where you can lead your organization. As we learned from Mercury and Schouten technique, also take the human part, a feedback loop, the digital champions like HNMV was talking about. Take the skill gaps, the resistance to change and the uncertainty about new workflows. That can slow the adoption. So you need to talk to the people who need to drive this adoption. Digital transformation asks engineers and builders to think differently, not just about the tools, but about the processes and the outcomes. And many organizations still need to shift from a silo workflow to in legacy systems into a modern tool, Autodesk Forma for today, with room for collaboration and a constant flow instead of friction. And my colleagues, David and Kenneth, showed that the road, including data and the integration, is here and ready to use. We just need to plug it in. I think with this, I had a great day. Let's remember, the future of construction is not just built with concrete and steel, but with data, insight, and a shared vision. We are the foundation and the shapers of the world we live in. I'm very proud of it. Let's do this efficient and with quality. Thank you for attending or checking this recording. Hopefully to see you soon.